What's going on, guys? Gabe with Fibonacci, and in this day trading video, I'm going to prevent you from losing your ass. How many times you see a stock run and it runs and then it just dips and you bought somewhere on the upper end of that run? We got a swing high and then just plummets and you're like, oh, I'm losing money. And then you sell for a loss. And then you look back 15 minutes later, an hour later, maybe a day later, and then you have a continuation. Whoa, yeah, not a good look, right? This is where the Fibonacci Retracement Tool comes into play. We're not going to get into Elliott wave theory or make this a very comprehensive video, but this is more of an introductory video on what the Fibonacci Retracement Tool is. On this channel, my job is to introduce you to different concepts. It's your job to go ahead and expand your knowledge. Now, if you would like further expansion on Fibonacci retracement in regards to Elliott wave theory, you let me know in the comment section below, and I will do that video. So we give you a little backstory, and this Fibonacci number concept created by Leonardo of Pisa, later known as Fibonacci. I don't know the relationship on that. That's like in Spanish families when we have like an uncle named Jose, but his nickname is Pepe. No relationship, but hey, it is what it is. But he has the concept of the sequence. So 0 and 1 equals 1. 1 and 2 equals 3. 2 and 3 equals 5. 3 and 5 equals 8. So you have a sequence of numbers, which then leads up to the golden ratio of 61.8. Now you got that backstory. Again, if you would like a more comprehensive breakdown, let me know in the comments below. We have Lucid. And why do we have Lucid? Well, Lucid has been pretty much in the news for the past couple of weeks, and it went on a bullish run, but it had a retracement. And so you go on pretty much any forum, whether it's StockTwits or Webull, and you got the naysayers, the guys who put the puts and who shorted the stock, and they're just fucking with your head, right? They're messing with your mind. They're saying, oh, this is done for. But we all know that Lucid has a corporate event on the 27th. What does this chart tell us? Well, it really doesn't tell us nothing other than we have resistance at 28.21. But with the Fibonacci Retracement Tool, it tells us a lot more. We go ahead and click on the Fibonacci Retracement. Rule number 1 is to find the swing low or the most recent swing low. So you guys see we got a bunch of reds. We gap down to the green. We've got a green candle, but we want the bottom of this candle. And what Webull does very well is it gives you the low. So we click that there. Then what we want to do is create a trend line to the very top. And that is going to be 28.21. So let's get that right there. Okay. Now, when we're plotting this, we want to make sure we use the whole entire candle. We want to make sure we include the wick. And that's that little stick that points on the bottom or points on the top, just like a regular candle, like very top that you burn. It's called a wick. Okay. So we have our trend line plotted. Now we have Fibonacci levels. And so you bought in, trend reversal, and now we're retracing. And now you're like, why'd I buy that option? Why'd I buy that stock? Well, you know what? Just calm down, broski. Because what we have here is we just have a breakdown from the 23.6 level, which is not really an important level. Keep that in mind. What we like to pay attention to is the 38.2, the 50, and the 61.8. What we're seeing here is the price action is respecting the 23.6 level. And what I'd like to see is a continuation from this level on up, which shows a very bullish sentiment toward the stock, or we have a downward continuation to 38.2. The Fibonacci Retracement Tool is not the solve-all tool out there, but it is a tool that's sort of kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You see, professional traders and institutions use this tool. Retail day traders, professional retail day traders use this tool. And why do we use the tool? Because we want to get the best price out there. You got to remember that the market is all about selling to make the most profit and buying at the best price. And it's a zero-sum game, but there's always somebody who's looking to buy. This isn't without purpose or rhyme and reason, because we do have this retracement. Now, the idea here is if we see the price reach 38.2 that you might want to buy, or see if it's acting as support for the price. If it is, then it might shoot back up, right? A lot of people like to use the 61.8, which is the golden ratio. By far the most important Fibonacci retracement level is 61.8, or the so-called golden ratio. Fibonacci defined this as a crucial level for almost everything that surrounds us, and it's no wonder it finds such an important use in technical analysis. When we see something bounce off a level, good. If we see it break through a level, then we need to start watching carefully, because other people are using these levels as well to better gauge when they are going to enter. And not just on a swing trade or a day trade, but for options, except they use something else called an ATR, or average true range. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something, because trading in the market blindly, no, that's not smart. You're chasing fool's gold. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Peace.